If you're starting a small business and you're looking to at some point raise funding, these are some of the things that I suggest that you do. Number one, please register as a private company, a PTY Ltd, with the CIPC. I believe you can do this for 175 Rand on the website, or you can get someone to do this for you. Secondly, whatever transactions that you are doing for your business, and mind you, it doesn't matter how small your business is, please try your best to swipe an EFT and get customers and clients to swipe or maybe pay deposits into your business account so that they can be transactions that people can track on your bank account. Try to minimize using cash and use your bank card and use your bank account as much as possible. Try and teach your clients, your customers, to make sure that they reference correctly what they're paying for. And you yourself, when you're paying for EFTs, when you're swiping, try and make sure that the references are as accurate as possible for your business. After that, find a cheap accountant that can do bookkeeping for you and can also do audited financial statements and management accounts. Management accounts are your monthly transactions, your income and expenses every month for your business. And annual financial statements are your income statement for the year and also your balance sheet for the year. Once you have these, you can go to any bank and you can use that to then get a loan. They will ask for other documents, of course, your company documents, but they'll see the audited financials. They might ask for other things, your asset register, etc., etc. But the bottom line is the core fundamentals will be there. What's also key is that if you're looking for private investors, they will look for this information. If you're looking to maybe crowdfund or maybe raise money through a stokvel from family and friends, the fact that you have management accounts that they can track every month makes it easier for you to be trusted and for them to give you money. Even if your business is struggling and it has to maybe close because it has failed, at least have a track record of what's been happening. A lot of us unfortunately work with cash. A lot of us try to keep as much money away from the bank as possible because maybe we're running away from tax and because maybe we don't trust the banks. But unfortunately, this makes it very, very difficult to raise money later. Once you also have these things, what's also cool is you can go to government agencies. Number one, the Small Enterprise Development Agency, SEDA. They help people with business plans. They help people to formalize their businesses. And after that, they then refer you to the Small Enterprise Finance Agency, I believe, or Funding Agency, SEFA, who can then give you money if you tick all the boxes. If you're looking for a bit more money, they can then direct you to the National Empowerment Fund, the NEF. And if you're in manufacturing, for example, they can refer you to the IDC, the Industrial Development Corporation. I think every province has got their own funding agency as well. I know in Johannesburg, or rather in Gauteng, it is the GEP, the Gauteng Economic or Enterprise Propeller. But I believe every province has got their own funding agencies as well. If you're in farming, you can go to the Department of Agriculture. They might have money for you. These are just some of the things we need to do. They are not easy, of course. But going through 12 years of school is not easy. Studying maths from scratch to matric is not easy. Studying science is not easy. Studying and mastering new languages is not easy. Waking up every morning to go to school, waking up every morning to go to a job is not easy. But these things can be learned. And there's a template and there's a formula to these things. Formalize your business, get an accountant, use your bank statements, get a business plan, and you will be able to raise funding. Doesn't matter if you're black or white or whatever the case may be. I work for two of the biggest banks in the country, and I'm also an accounting and economics graduate from two of the top universities in the country. I can tell you this is the formula that works. You want to play for the Springboks? There's a formula. You want to play for Bafana Bafana? There's a formula. Respect the formula. There may be cheats, there may be tricks, of course. This is why you need to befriend accountants, lawyers, bankers, and get other successful business people to mentor you. But the bottom line is that there is a formula to this thing. And the sooner you master the formula, the easier it's going to be for you to scale your business and to become incredibly successful. Pin you all the black pen. Cheers.